Hello, and welcome back to my channel for another delicious recipe. Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed my previous recipes. Today, I'm bringing you a delicious, healthy, and super easy to make salad, perfect for a quick meal or a refreshing lunch. For this, we'll need the following ingredients. 1 chicken breast cut into small slices, 200 grams of pasta, half a head of fresh broccoli, a quarter of an iceberg lettuce, 1 large tomato, and 1 cucumber. A salad dressing, recipe available in the description, a few fresh basil leaves, 2 to 3 finely chopped green onions, 5 to 10 grams of garlic powder, thyme, a spice mix of paprika, cumin, ginger, and chili flakes. You can add or remove some of the spices depending on your taste, smoked paprika, and finally, pepper and salt. Let's get started. First, prepare the ingredients by chopping the veggies and slicing the chicken. We peel the cucumber because the skin is bitter. Then, we cut the cucumber in half and slice it. Next comes the tomato and the broccoli. First, we separate the broccoli florets and then cut them in half. We continue with the iceberg lettuce, green onions, and finally the chicken breast. Next step, boiling the broccoli. We place a pot of water on the stove, add a bit of salt and 2 tablespoons of vinegar to enhance the flavor and reduce the sulfur smell. Once the water is boiling, we add the broccoli and let it cook for just 3 minutes. Then, we remove the broccoli and place it in cold water to stop the cooking process and keep it fresh. Next step, the pasta. In a pot, add water and salt. Once the water is boiling, add the pasta. Follow the cooking time indicated on the package. When the time is up, drain the water from the pot. In the final step, we cook the chicken breast. In a pan, add a bit of olive oil. Then, add the chicken breast. Followed by smoked paprika. Thyme. Garlic powder. And the spice mix. Let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, we put everything together. Optionally, you can add caramelized onions and balsamic vinegar. This is my delicious chicken and pasta salad recipe. I invite you to try it. You won't regret it. Thank you for watching, and I invite you to check out my channel for more wonderful recipes. More and more recipes are coming soon, all easy to make at home, even with minimal cooking experience.